Hello everybody, my name's Colin Pittman. I'm the Commercial Director at Advanced 3D Laser Solutions Group, and within the group we have A3D and 4D Lizard. We was at Stock Expo a few weeks ago, of where we had an okay show, but as you know the numbers were down because of the coronavirus. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to bring to you at home, because I'd appreciate you're probably working remotely at the moment, like most of us are, exactly what we do at A3D and 4D Lizard. The following videos will illustrate in detail exactly what we can do. Basically, we can help you digitize your assets, your terminal. So please view the following videos, etc. And I will catch you at the end of the actual videos, which last about 6 minutes. Many thanks, catch you later.
Locating an asset and managing the maintenance and budgets of a site is one of the most important issues terminals face. Our customers want easily located and tracked assets and a clear, fast and notifying management system that reduces the chances of human error. And that's what we've done at 4D Lizard. Not only that, we've also found a streamlined way to consolidate all of your pre-existing data. Firstly, we looked at how to improve your asset management system. All assets start with a code. At 4D Lizard, we wanted to perfect how clients find an asset, whether by a 3D model, NFC or P&ID. As with any typical terminal, you have multiple departments that each collect and store data across several systems, all of which require unique access. Data in vast unlinked sources can then only report on the data it holds, which, if done manually, can take time. You also have limited access to this information via your local office. To improve overall efficiency, 4D Lizard takes customers' current data and feeds that into a cloud-based API, giving you greater control to collect and access pre-existing key information, such as financial management, maintenance, working scheduling and permits, all within one single system, giving our clients broader reports and detailed data visualization. By having a 4D Lizard EAM system in place, customers will be able to benefit from many options, consolidating all of your current data systems information into one simple application. By being cloud-based, our clients have access to terminal information whether they're on site, in the office or at home via a range of devices. Get the most out of your site data with our EAM Smart Hub. To learn more about 4D Lizard EAM, please visit www.4dlizard.com or call us today. Designed by engineers for engineers.
So this is the 4D Lizard system, and as we discussed, the main point of this system initially was the distribution of the models and why these guys got the models out to their clients. But what we quickly realised was there was a massive collection of asset data, and that information would be really good if we could link that to the model. So as an example of that, we came up with a number of different ways that we could navigate to the asset. We realised that on site there were engineers and management, and they all use different mechanisms to find an asset. So as an example of a really fast way of finding an asset, if we go to our asset list, we find a site, go to Houston, do a search, and as you can see, very fast, very efficient. Then I'm going to do basically now I found the asset. I'll come back and go through the details of the asset, such as the model points, inspections, etc. But just show you how quickly we can get to the model. If I click on the model icon, go down, isolated model. So that's one way that we've got of navigating to an asset if you know the asset code. Another way might be that you know visually where that asset is on the system. So what we would do in that instance is we would find the site, view the models, open viewer. And this time what I'm going to do is use my visual representation to find that asset. In fact, I'm going to use this, you can see, so that's how I found that asset, and if I click on there, and it might be because I know that where that location is on the site. As you can see, before I selected that, this asset is marked in red, which shows you our indication of how we're interacting with the data that's in the background, and again visually showing that. So the reason that asset is in red is because we've got an up and coming inspection within the next 2 weeks. Okay, and if we want to find where they are, again, click on there, that navigates straight to the asset. Another thing we can use to do that is our model points. As you can see, someone on site has taken a number of photographs and they've uploaded that, but they've uploaded it to a very specific point on an asset. And again, I can show you that by I select that. You can see I've highlighted that asset and I'm showing exactly where that is on that asset. So this one actually does have 2 separate points. If I select that point, you can see this was the photograph that was uploaded. If I select the other point, you can see this was a different tag, and what I'm going to do on this tag is just show how we're using artificial intelligence and machine learning to extract the text. So if, say for instance, you was doing an audit on the site and you needed to go around and database all your assets and what their nameplates were, we've used this, and as you can see we're using AI, and that's a live demonstration of how we've worked out and using text recognition to read the text off the asset. So if I go back to the actual asset this time, I'm going to go back to the original demo of when we was finding the asset. Again, asset list, select a site, view that asset. I'm going to use this valve, just run through a few of the things that we've got that are important on that asset. So one of them is inspections. This was when we was looking at the fact that that was highlighted in red on the model. Up and coming inspections, work orders. And the important thing is the system is built as an infrastructure for you guys to extend. So as you can see on our inspections, we've got very limited fields, but that is very deliberate because what we want to do is interact with you guys and find out your exact requirements and then add to that. Same with work orders, documents. We have a intelligent document system that basically allows us, if you imagine you had a compliance document and you'd just been sent that for this asset, what it allows you to do, even though I'm in the asset details, is attach those documents to other assets. So it might be that you upload a compliance document for this valve and you realise that actually that's applicable to all valves on the site. So what you would do is select type valve, choose your file, upload this compliance document, and basically what that would do in the system is apply that to all other valves, or you could choose to just do it via module or a more granular, do it on a line basis.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that narrated video and that live video that we recorded at Stock Expo. What I'd like you to do, if you'd like to know more about us, we would welcome an opportunity to talk to you via Skype. If you can get back to me on my mobile, which is 07435 760 153, we can put a date in the diary and we can talk about how we can potentially help you in this very difficult situation that we find ourselves in. Thank you very much for your time. Look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.